This is how enterprise selling should start. Not with research, but with a seller-ready answer. Meet Draup for Sales Agent, agentic intelligence built for enterprise sales and revenue teams. Account intelligence, IBM plays, vendor risk, buyer mapping, churn signals, GCC opportunities, partner alignment, and more. Context-aware, secure by design, autonomous when it matters. Now available on IBM watsonx Orchestrate. watsonx Orchestrate brings your AI agents together. Build, deploy, manage, and automate workflows in one place. Draup works with the rest of your agent stack on IBM watsonx Orchestrate. IBM agents, your internal agents, or third-party agents. Pre-built or custom. Draup for Sales works wherever you work. Getting started takes minutes. Open watsonx Orchestrate. Go to the agent catalog and search Draup for Sales. Add as collaborator and paste your bearer token once. Click Deploy. Now, let's run it. Type in a prompt and watch as watsonx collaborates with Draup for Sales to answer your query. The Draup for Sales agent leverages its massive, connected datasets to return a clear, actionable answer, fast. Draup's agentic intelligence is trusted by 260-plus enterprise customers to turn research time into selling time.